So, we are currently, well, I am currently getting ready to go cliff jumping. We're going to Mandingus Falls. We're going to bike ride there. And then going to send it. It's going to be freezing cold because there's literal snow on the ground. Like, why are we doing this? But we're still got to send it. And, yeah, catch you on the ride. On the road now?
Oh.
Time to get going.
Hey, what's up? I'm tryna fuck it up. I got bad bitches with me and we in the cut. I've been smoking on the reefer, the cannabis. If you ain't smoking shorty, you can't hang with us. Been feeling royal, you could say I'm feeling regal. My friends loyal, hold it down like they a beagle. No sneaking, I got eyes like an eagle. Stacking so much money, you would think that it's illegal.
So we made it off the road. We are no longer on our bike. Walking down to the creek where there's the waterfall a bit upstream from where we're going. So we're gonna have to go upstream on the creek a bit. Yeah, catch you at the waterfall.
Times two. If I ball out, bet I bring my crew. Cause if I get rich alone, what the fuck I'm gonna do? Yeah, this shit would be lonely. I'm just trying to cash out and vibe with the homies. So if you don't know my name, don't say that you know me. I'ma smack the next fucker talking about what you owe me. I don't owe you shit. Now please get on my face, cause I'm trying to get lit. I send this shit to Tom and he's making it a hit. I really kept my promise when I said I wouldn't quit. Hey, I'm trying to fuck it up. I got bad bitches with me and we in the cut. I've been smoking on the reefer, the cannabis. If you ain't smoking shorty, you can't hang with us. Been feeling royal, you can say I'm feeling legal.
So we made it to the waterfall, and hopefully gonna jump some of these jumps, and maybe go upstream where there's some more jumps. So, yeah.
I'm about to take off Hiroshima flow. I know this shit is catchy, you can go ahead and sing a hoe. When I speak you better listen. Stacking 4 commas, yeah you know that is the mission. Cuck Mark Zuckerberg and hit it like a piston. No, it ain't personal when I'm letting she glisten. Hey, it ain't personal, Mark, but when it comes to human love, think your wife's in the dark. I'm not saying I'm a dog, but I walk in a bark. And when it comes to stealing women, it's a walk in the park. Hey, I don't know what's coming over me. All the smoke in the room makes it hard to see. All I know is the success is what I'm gonna be. Swear I'm gonna make it, I don't care what's right in front of me. Hey, I'm tryna fuck it up. I got bad bitches with me and we in the cut. I've been smoking on the reefer, the cannabis. If you ain't smoking shorty, you can't hang with us. Been feeling royal, you could say I'm feeling legal. My friends loyal, hold it down like they a beagle. No sneaking, I got eyes like an eagle. Stacking so much money